is one more new species for me. First time I am seeing this. And it's occurring in the quite a shaded area in the roadside, so that little bit of morning sunlight comes in. And it's a small plant. Small means some 4 or 5 feet tall, and leaves are quite thick but not exactly succulent. And these that bract and all looks like this. There's a quite a big group of them here. There's one that's the tallest one, what I can see over there. Then there's some more here, and this one is very conveniently located, so I can do some close up of these flowers.